Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I'm going to be talking quickly as a request from MA on my watering schedule and how much my water usage is. I did do screenshots of the app that we have in our city. We have an app that we can just download and see every single day of how much water we use and what time we used them in or used it at. So I'll just put those on the screen right now. Since I don't have them in front of me, I'm using the iPhone to film right now. I can't look at it and explain, but I'll just put it on the screen and I will type key points on the screen as well for you to look at or for me to add to it and explain. Now to the point of, and I responded with, I can't remember exactly, but I responded with about the editing. As you see in these past few days, I've been pumping out videos like I used to back in the day. Back in the day being 2 years and 9 months ago, which is not that long ago. But I used to pump out videos like crazy because I didn't really edit. I didn't want to. Ever since I found out about iMovie, I started editing a lot because it does make the video a lot smoother. And I used to get a lot of complaints, and I still do today from people watching my older videos of, get to the point already. You take too long. You talk too much. You this, you that. Da 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 da. Yeah, and they actually said dee. There was one comment like that. I'm just kidding. Maybe there is. But you see, like this right here, I used to do and I used to enjoy it. Just filming something random. Ladybug on the Babcock Peach. But I would cut it out. And then I would start getting sadder and sadder and more depressed. It's not easy, guys and gals, putting out videos on YouTube. I get comments every single day. 755 videos now or more. Every day I get comments and I want to respond to all, and some of them are really nasty. And people say, oh, don't worry about them. But, after a while, it doesn't affect my progress. It just affects my morale. I kind of changed this video around, but really this is the reason why I wanted to film it. And I responded to that comment that I'm going to film it today because I wanted to bring this up about edits. I'm still going to edit if I I go to the restroom or my son calls me, I have to go do something inside. But why edit everything? You want to see it. Sorry for the air conditioner. My family's in the house. Look at the peaches, huh? God almighty, I almost lost these two branches. This branch and this branch was almost the one that broke. So I'll keep the pictures going on the screen still and the stuff I'm typing about it. That way you can look at it in depth. There's the rhubarb right there. The leaf in the back is really huge. I don't want to walk all the way over there right now. Nectarine's doing good. There's the peach. Apricot's doing good. And the plum is not as productive as I wanted to because I pruned it this winter, so it doesn't, this past winter, so it doesn't overtake. That's the strongest growing graft on this 4-in-1, and I wanted to shrink that down a bit. But now I have this peach going above 10 feet tall. The almond's about 12 feet tall. The Dapple Danny Pluot is about 14 feet tall. The flat peach is about 12 feet tall. But you don't prune right now. It's not even the summer yet. You prune towards the middle of summer or towards the end of summer. At least where I am here in Central California, Zone 9B. Alright, I think I talked enough and you guys saw all the images. And I really miss just doing this. Kind of like, really like just a vlog. Instead of like crisp, cut, edit, post, this, that, the other. It's just me. I don't have a team. There's other gardeners, I'm not going to name them. They hand over their videos to people they pay to edit. I'm just doing it on my own. And I'm going to pump out more than anybody else. And the way I can do that, less editing. Happy gardening.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.